what is up? Another session of therapy session. That's right. Your prime time or rather anytime therapy show. I like that line, so that's why I used that from the previous episode. And by the way, talking about previous episode, do check it out. We talk about insecurity, sexuality, my favorite topic, and also about feminism. Why would you not want to see that? Why would you not want to talk about it? It's your opinion. You're entitled to it. As for today, we have two really exciting guests. Trust me, you want to know these people in person. And right now, we have Jaydeep and Pratish, my co-hosts, as usual. Hi, guys. And then
Hi.
now we have Jay and Kunal. What is up, people? How are you doing?
Hey everyone, really nice to see you. Yeah, I really enjoy the content you guys are creating. Yeah, and Kunal, maybe you can go ahead.
Don't say more. Don't say more. Don't say.
Hi, Pranay. I'm very excited to be here and talk with you guys and share some of the insights that we have found out and the experience that we have gone through since time, and maybe inspire a few more people to join our journey.
Kunal, let me just say, I'm glad that you said you're excited to be with us. I'm excited to talk to you guys, dude. Like, come on, you guys are like our age group, like in the early 20s, and then you have your own company. Ladies and gentlemen, these people have their own company right now. So just for that alone, I'd like to, cheers to that. I'd like to drink to that, guys. Come on. So now, before we go into, all the fun stuff, or rather the pitfalls, or rather the achievements of your company, first tell us what is it you do, so that the viewers have a good understanding of what it is you guys, any one of you guys.
Jai, you may go on.
Yeah, our journey started from our bachelor's. Me and Kunal were in our second year of bachelor's in mechanical engineering at Ahmedabad University. So at that point of time, we were wondering, like, we are done with this theoretical stuff. Let's just do some practical stuff. And also, being in Ahmedabad University, we had an opportunity of great labs, great mentors. So we decided to go ahead to solve an industrial problem of lifting heavy machineries. So we were brainstorming about different ideas. And meanwhile, Kunal and our another friend Saransh, the co-founders, they came up with an idea of making a industrial stair climber, which was inspired from a European company. So from that, we initiated our design journey, and we proposed our idea to our mentors. We talked to them, and there were really lots of challenges. But in the initial stage, we were like, yeah, there are challenges. We will face it. It's fine. So there comes Kunal's part, and he proposed few design ideas. And yeah, maybe Kunal, you can go ahead and talk more about it.
So we basically started off as a summer project that engineers take up instead of internships that usually goes on in the present case. But so it began as a summer project, and it turned out to be very much fun, and we were enjoying making new things and fixing problems and providing a solution to some problem someone is facing. So it started off as a small project, and it picked up speed, and we got interested into it. And then after the bachelor's got over, me and one of the co-founders were, debating that whether to take up a job or to whether continue this thing. And finally, we took a leap of faith, kind of trusting our own guts that let's do it, let's create something, let's take a different path, and let's do something really new that we enjoy doing. So me and one of the other co-founders did not take up any job, did not opt for any masters. We continued this project and turned it into a startup. So, and then a year later, we applied for a few grants and got some money to spend on the project, spend on the startup basically. So that's how it turned out. A year later, we are out of our engineering college, and we are here after a year with some investments, some funding, and we are working on the startup right now, and it's going pretty good.
Oh, guys, like seriously, hats off to you. Like seriously, like it's that thing which you talk about leap of faith, and let's just do it because we want to do it. And Really, I just say like cheers to you guys. Like well done, good job on that. I just want to clear something out there in terms of technicality. So the thing which your company does right now, it has not been there before, or is it something novel which you created, or how is it new to the field?
That's a very good question, because the thing that we're currently trying to do, the problem that we're currently trying to solve, is not being solved in India at present. But there are companies in Europe and companies in America that are currently providing the same products and services that we do. But currently in India, there is no big player in the market right now. So we are trying to be the first one.
Cool, cool. And speaking of countries, for all the viewers out there, Jay is now in Germany, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, you got it right. So yeah, talking about that, I really have a respect for Kunal and Nikki, the co-founder. They really stick to the startup and they are still working on it. But me and Saransh, the other two co-founders, we decided to go on another path. I decided to take masters, so I'm pursuing my masters in renewable energy and management right now. And the other co-founder, Saransh, he's working with his own business of air conditioner repairing and sales. So yeah, but I really have respect for Kunal and Nikki. We really saw a big dead end, but Kunal and Nikki didn't see that dead end, and they kept on striving for the light, and they found some light, I guess, and they are gonna find some more in upcoming months.
Sure, we
That's
will.
that's
અરે
really
કુનાલ
good.
આપણે ફોટોશૂટ કર્યું હતું ખબર છે તમારા
Yeah,
જે પેલો
actually, Jaideep was our photographer when we needed documented proof. So we called up Jaideep because he was the university photographer. We saw him at every event that the university had organized. So we called up Jaideep and we had a pretty good time with Jaideep shooting us.
અરે એ ફોટો શેર કરજે આપણે કદાચ હું અહીંયા વચ્ચે નાખીશ સરસ
Sure,
ફોટો
sure.
પેલો આપણે ગ્રુપ ફોટો લીધો હતો ને જે
Yep,
મશીન
yep.
સાથે
We'll share that.
मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन है बोल
Go on. बोल प्रतीश, प्लीज कैरी ऑन.
हाँ देखो मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन है कि अभी आप लोगों ने ये चालू किया बराबर, तो वर यू फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फ्रॉम योर स्टडीज एकेडमिक? तो फिर सोचा नहीं यार कुछ करना है, या फिर नहीं यार जो अभी पढ़ा है उसको ही अप्लाई करना है?
I'll
Actually,
go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
हाँ,
Kunal.
if I talk about myself, अगर मैं खुद की बात करूँ तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा आई एम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फ्रॉम माय स्टडीज और नॉट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. कुछ ना कुछ सीख रहे हैं हम लोग और उसको बाहर कहीं ना कहीं देख रहे हैं, भाई ये मशीन बन रही है, वो मशीन बन रही है, वो टूट रहा है, वो टूट रहा है. लेकिन फिर ऐसा आता है कि भाई नहीं, हमको भी कुछ बनाना है. पहले से ही ऐसा मुझे था कि मुझे कुछ ना कुछ बनाना है, तो मैं कुछ भी बनाता था. ओरिगामी बहुत बनाता, पेपर प्लेन्स मुझे बहुत बनाने का शौक है, तो आई विल क्रिएट पेपर प्लेन्स ऑफ 100 टाइप्स. कभी भी फ्री बैठा हूँ तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ बना रहा हूँ, ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ या पेपर प्लेन्स में कुछ भी बना. तो सेम चीज इधर भी थी कि इतना हमने सीखा तो क्या है, इसका क्या फायदा हो. मैं एक दो जॉब्स भी मैंने किया, ऐसा नहीं, एक दो जॉब्स भी मैंने किया, लेकिन जॉब्स आर सीरियसली बोरिंग. दे आर बोरिंग जॉब्स. You have to manage stuff, you have to report stuff, you have to do this, that, boring shit. तो मैंने देखा कि स्टार्टअप को फाउंडर्स क्या कर रहे हैं, तो वो बोल रहे कि 4 साल तक वो लोग नया नया प्रोडक्ट बना रहे, अलग अलग चीजें ट्राई कर रहे. मैंने बोला दिस लुक्स फन, लेट व्हाई नॉट डू दैट. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. एक्चुअली इफ यू आस्क मी देन आई एम द अदर वे अराउंड. आई एम नॉट एट ऑल फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. आई एम वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन लर्निंग. एवरी डे आई ट्राई टू लर्न 2 न्यू थिंग्स, 4 न्यू थिंग्स. अगर ऐसा दिन आ रहा है कि मैंने कुछ नया नहीं सीखा तो आई एम थिंकिंग लाइक शिट यार आज का दिन वेस्ट हो गया. सो दैट्स द केस. आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फ्रॉम लर्निंग. आई एम एक्चुअली एंजॉयिंग लर्निंग न्यू एंड न्यू थिंग्स.
Kunal, that's an awesome attitude to have, bro. Like seriously, like so. Out of curiosity, what did you learn today?
Basically today I am learning that networking in all forms is very necessary. कि भाई हमारे जो I mean जिनसे हम चीजें ले रहे दे रहे उनको नहीं, उनके अलावा भी लोगों के साथ नेटवर्किंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक आई केम इन कांटेक्ट विद जयदीप एंड नाउ जयदीप मेक्स कांटेक्ट विद यू गाइस. सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग फॉर मी. आई नो 4 न्यू पीपल टुडे.
That's true. Like seriously, Kunal, it's a wonderful attitude to have, bro. Like as a researcher, personally speaking, that's how I look at life. Whenever I look at any problem, for me, I love solving puzzles. I love solving the mystery, and for me, science is where I could use that passion to fulfillment. because I could create new stuff, I could discover new stuff, I could understand new stuff which didn't make sense before. And so to hear somebody else, especially from, I don't take this wrongly, but from mechanical engineering talk like that, it's like, wow, man, like seriously. Because I'm not, to be very honest, I've not met a lot of mechanical engineers with that kind of a perspective, to be very honest with you. Would you agree with that?
Totally agreed.
Somewhat, yeah, there is a convention being followed in society. Like mechanical engineers, they are the boring person. They are they are someone in society. They are not being talked too much, and they are like avoided a lot. But yeah, somewhere we found our interest in startups and stuff like that. So coming back to Pratyush's question, like I felt I was learning only 50% of my bachelor's when I didn't apply those learnings to some practical applications. So basically, after having a thought of starting a new venture, so yeah, as Kunal suggested and told that he likes to learn new things, and I personally like to challenge myself. So startup seemed to be really challenging, and yeah, that's why I wanted to do that.
અરે કુનાલ એક કુનાલ જય મારે એક ક્વેશ્ચન હતો કે જે નોર્મલ બિઝનેસ હોય અને સ્ટાર્ટઅપ હોય તો એની વચ્ચે ડિફરન્સ શું હોય કે આજે હું કઈ માન લે મેં ચાની ટપરી નાખ્યું તો ચાની ટપરીમાં અને માન લે એને આપણે નોર્મલ બિઝનેસ કહીએ પણ એને આપણે સ્ટાર્ટઅપ બનાવવું હોય તો કઈ રીતે કરી શકીએ ફરક
તમારે કંઈક નવું કરવું પડે. ચા અત્યાર સુધી આદુ અને એલચીની ચા બને છે, કદાચ ફુદીનો બી નાખો છો. તમે કંઈક નવું લઈ આવો કે આ બી હું ચામાં નાખું છું અને તમને મજા આવશે, તો એ તમારું સ્ટાર્ટઅપ થઈ જશે. એ થઈ ગયું તફાવત બિઝનેસ અને સ્ટાર્ટઅપ વચ્ચેનું, સિમ્પલ ભાષામાં.
Totally agree.
That's a very good way to discuss. You're saying that you have to bring in something new to an existing model to make it a new startup. That's I think that's a fun
हाँ.
एक और क्वेश्चन है मेरे को. हाँ बोल
જે અત્યારે તમારું સ્ટાર્ટઅપ છે એ મતલબ બેઝિક લેવલ ઉપર છે, પ્રોડક્ટ બની ગઈ છે કે પ્રોડક્ટ હજી બને છે?
અત્યારે અમારું સ્ટાર્ટઅપ જો કહીએ ને તો આઈ થિંક ગુજરાતી ઇઝ ફાઇન વિથ એવરીવન.
હા હા હા.
Yeah, sure. Please go on.
અત્યારે જો એક્સક્યુઝ મી.
Yeah, sure. Please go on.
नहीं गुजराती, अभी मैं भी थोड़ी देर में गुजराती में बात करूंगा, उसका तुम लोग बोलोगे गुजराती भाई तू बोल ही मत.
प्रणय भाई को समझ आता है क्या? प्रणय भाई को गुजराती?
I do understand Gujarati. I've been around JDIP for almost 3 years now. So
तो वो सही है. अभी थोड़ी देर में काठियावाड़ी गुजराती भी आएगा.
તો અત્યારે જો અમારા સ્ટાર્ટઅપની વાત કરીએ તો અત્યારે એમ જોવા જઈએ તો અમે આઈડિયા સ્ટેજમાં જ છીએ. અમારી પાસે પ્રોડક્ટ નથી. એમ જો ટેકનિકલી ડિફાઇન કરું તો પ્રોડક્ટ નથી અમારી પાસે. પ્રોડક્ટ ઇઝ અ વેરી વેલ ડિફાઇન થિંગ કે જેમાં કોઈ જ ઇશ્યુ ના હોય, કોઈ જ પ્રોબ્લેમ ના હોય અને રિયલી પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વ કરતું હોય. અત્યારે અમારે કેવું છે, આઈડિયા સ્ટેજમાં છે. અમે કેવું છે, એક પ્રોબ્લેમ અમને મળી ગઈ છે તો એને હવે સોલ્વ કરવાના 1000 અલગ તરીકા અમે આઈ મીન પૂછવાની ટ્રાય કરી છે કે આ રીતે કઈ રીતે એને રિયલી સોલ્વ કરી શકાય. તો અત્યારે અમે એક્સપ્લોરેટિવ સ્ટેજમાં છે, આઈડિયા સ્ટેજમાં છીએ.
So let me just sorry sir, please go on.
એક મિનિટ. અને આ માટે તમે માર્કેટ રિસર્ચ કર્યું કે કદાચ આ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે તો આને સોલ્વ કરવા માટે આટલા મતલબ આઈડિયા છે અને આની માટે અલગ અલગ આવી રીતે પ્રોડક્ટ છે, તો માર્કેટ રિસર્ચ કરો તો એક કઈ રીતે બેઝિક લેવલે કઈ રીતે માર્કેટ રિસર્ચ કરો? કઈ જઈને પૂછો કે કોઈ એવું પ્લેટફોર્મ અવેલેબલ છે કે જ્યાં તમે તમારા આઈડિયા નાખો, એના સોલ્વિંગ માટે કઈ આટલા વસ્તુ અવેલેબલ છે, ડેટા એવી રીતે?
માર્કેટ રિસર્ચ નું આપણે જો આઈ મીન રિયલ ડેફિનેશન જો જોવા જઈએ ને તો માર્કેટ રિસર્ચ બહુ જ સરસ વસ્તુ છે. અને માર્કેટ રિસર્ચમાં કેવું હોય કે કોઈ પણ એક ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી હોય, માની લો આ કપ છે તો સિરામિક કપની ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી હોય ને તો એના કેવું હોય, માર્કેટ રિસર્ચ રિપોર્ટ આવે. ઓલરેડી કંપનીઝ છે જે લોકો રિપોર્ટ બનાવે, એ લોકો શું કરે, આ કપને સ્ટડી કરે, દરેક જાતની, દરેક અલગ અલગ રીતે એનું સ્ટડી કરે અને એનો બધો ડેટા જનરેટ કરે. અહીંયા આટલા વેચાય, આટલા કરોડનું માર્કેટ છે, આ છે તે, તો રિપોર્ટ આવે. એ તો રિપોર્ટ કેવું, એ રિપોર્ટ તમે ખરીદો એટલે એ રિસર્ચ તમારું. અને બીજી રીત છે જે ઇન્ડિયન કન્વેન્શનલ વે છે, બરાબર. એમાં કેવું હોય કે તમે બહાર જાઓ, 50 ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીમાં જાઓ, તમે આટા ફેરા કરો, ભાઈ આ કપ કઈ રીતે બને છે, કલર કેવી રીતે લાગે છે, ક્યાં તમે મોકલો છો, કેટલામાં વેચો. દેટ ઇઝ કન્વેન્શનલ વે. તો અમે લોકોએ કેવું કર્યું, કાઇન્ડ ઓફ બંનેનું મિક્સ કર્યું છે કે ઓનલાઈન પણ અમે ઘણું બધું રિસર્ચ કર્યું છે, બહુ બધા બ્લોગ્સ વાંચ્યા છે, બહુ બધી વેબસાઇટો અમે ફેંકી મારી છે. બરાબર બહુ બધા લોકો જોડે મેલ મોકલીને ઇન્ફોર્મેશન માંગવાની ટ્રાય કરી અને કન્વેન્શનલ પણ કરી છે. અમે ઘણી ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઓમાં આટા માર્યા છે, પૂછ્યું છે કે તમારે શું તકલીફ થાય છે, આ તકલીફ થાય છે, આ પ્રોડક્ટ તમને વાપરવું કે બેઝિકલી ઓલ દેટ. તો એવું બધું અમે ઘણું કર્યું છે. મહિના 2 મહિના ઉપર અમે આ સેમ વસ્તુ કરી છે.
So, in terms of market research alone, so now you're saying you're in the ideology stage, or rather the explorative stage of how we can solve the problem you have. So, I'm pretty sure any startup, I'm pretty sure you see funding, so you must have some sort of a deadline.
That was my question.
Nice.
Yeah, so
ગુજરાતી છે એટલે પૈસાની વાત તો કરવાની જ. તો so જ્યારે અમે idea, I guess it's fine if I answer in Gujarati.
I try to keep it in Hindi or English because some of our viewers are not Gujarati. They don't understand. People don't understand Gujarati.
नहीं
So,
पहले ये ऐसा मनी का एसेंस गुजराती में आने दे, उसके बाद इसको बता देंगे.
So yeah, पैसे की बात आती है तो गुजरातियों का नाम सबसे पहले आता है. So I guess हमने पैसों का जब सोचा तो हमने मेंटर से बात की थी हमारे कॉलेज में. तो हर्षल ओझा सर थे फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी. So उनसे हमने बात की थी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हमारे डीन से बात की है, उन सबसे प्रोजेक्ट का डिस्कस किया. And they were really encouraging. Like mechanical engineering में कुछ projects initiate करने के लिए they were really sorry, it's just something popped up. हाँ, so वो basically उनके encouragement की वजह से हमने funding का उनको पूछा, and they had some fundings. I would prefer not to disclose the amount.
That's fine. Like, I'm just, of course, the amount would be, confidential, and you must have some sort of agreement as well. My only thing is like, how do you devise a plan? Especially, let's be honest here, we are not the most experienced bunch of people. No matter how good you do, we are still in our early 20s, but for you to have that sense of maturity with that deadline, that amount of money is what I'm curious about in terms of you guys, how you thought about it.
So basically, we had weekly meetings with our mentor, Mr. Vinay Patankar. So weekly, we used to update our tasks. Like, we have reached this point, we have found this challenge, this hurdle, or something we discuss, and we try to figure out some solution for that. And if we need some funding for that stage, we need to go through conventional process of Ahmedabad University. So the deadlines and the financial were going hand in hand together.
And Kunal, by the way, you're on mute. Yeah, Kunal, one thing I wanted to ask is like for both of you guys in that format, for that matter, is like once you have that, sense of this is our company, it may be a startup, but it's still ours, right? Something we created. I want to understand what went through your mind, because yes, there must have been so many trials and tribulations, like thinking about the theory, thinking about how we can make this applicable. But once you found out, like, yes, people are supporting us. Yes, now we have the budget to go through. How did you guys feel about that? I want to know that personally, or in terms of mentally, how did you guys feel about that?
Sorry, I actually didn't get your question. Can you please repeat it?
Yeah, so I was saying, how did you guys feel mentally once it was announced that your company has started? Like, you have a company, you have a startup, because you must have gone through a lot of theory, a lot of trials and tribulations before in order to get to that place. But once you got to that place, of course, there's still a lot of work ahead, but that must have been a sense of relief for you guys. That's why I want to know how you felt mentally at that point.
So talking about like you were talking about that we have created something and we received support and encouragement, and so I follow a simple motto: fall in love with the problem, not with the product. So what it does is emotionally it prepares you to stick to the problem itself and not sticking to the product. Like, ये मैंने बनाया तो इसको कुछ होना नहीं चाहिए, टूटना नहीं चाहिए, ये नहीं होना चाहिए, that shit. ये चीजें सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए. तो I personally try to tend to stick to the problem, because that is the whole thing. That is the seed basically. Problem is the reason why I'm making this product, or why I'm trying to get funding to solve it. जो भी है, तो I try to fall in love with the problem and stick to it. And work towards the same thing. कि भाई मुझे encouragement मिल रहा है तो I फ्रेंड टू रीचेक इट कि भाई एनकरेजमेंट मिल रहा है एंड इट सपोर्ट्स मी टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम, कि ना कि भाई मुझे पैसे मिल रहे हैं, कि ना कि भाई मेरे प्रोडक्ट को झूठी मोटी फेम मिल रही है या जो भी है. तो आई ट्राई टू पुट दैट आइडिया इन द होल थिंग कि भाई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होना चाहिए मेरा, बस दैट इट. तो कुछ भी सपोर्ट मिल रहा है, कुछ भी एनकरेजमेंट मिल रहा है, कभी मुझे
सॉरी कुणाल, बहुत ही ऑडियो में डिस्टरबेंस आ रहा है.
So basically, that's what I'm trying to say. That I try to fall in love with the problem and keep in check that whatever support or whatever input that I'm getting from my friends, families, my mentors is directed towards solving that one problem. So that's my take on that.
અરે એક મારો ક્વેશ્ચન હતો કે હંમેશા પ્રોબ્લેમ હોવી જરૂરી છે કે કંઈક એવું બી હોઈ શકે કે લોકોને ખબર જ નથી કે આ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે, તમારે જઈને કહેવું પડે કે ભાઈ આ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે, આનું સોલ્યુશન મારી પાસે છે, તો પ્રોબ્લેમ બી તમે બતાવો, સોલ્યુશન બી તમે બતાવો. એવું કોઈ દિવસ થયું છે કોઈ સ્ટાર્ટઅપમાં તમે જોયું હોય?
If I'd answer, if I can answer that. એક બહુ ફેમસ કોટ છે જે કોઈ પણ બિઝનેસ કે આંત્રપ્રેનર વાળો વ્યક્તિ હોય ને એને ખબર જ હશે કે હેનરી ફોર્ડે એવો કોટ લખેલું કે ભાઈ તમે હેનરી ફોર્ડના ટાઈમમાં જો તમે લોકોને પૂછો ને તમને કેવી ઘોડાગાડી જોઈએ છે તો એવું જ કહે છે કે સારી ઘોડાગાડી જોઈએ, ફાસ્ટ ઘોડાગાડી જોઈએ, મજબૂત ઘોડો જોઈએ ને મજબૂત કાટ જોઈએ, પણ એ ક્યારેય એમ નહીં કે મારે ગાડી જોઈએ. So that's the point of being an entrepreneur. So you have to identify the problems that the people can't see. કે તારા જીવનમાં એવી ઘણી પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ છે જે હું સ્પોટ કરી શકીશ પણ તું નહીં સ્પોટ કરી શકીશ. સમજો એવા ફોટોગ્રાફર એ નહીં સ્પોટ કરી શકે પણ હું સ્પોટ કરી શકીશ. તો દેટ્સ ધ હોલ પોઈન્ટ કે પ્રોબ્લેમ તો ઠીક છે પણ એને ગોતવી પણ એક નવી સ્કિલ છે.
અને પ્રોબ્લેમ ગોત્યા પછી એને કઈ રીતે વેચવી ત્યારે માર્કેટિંગ આવે છે કે પ્રોબ્લેમ આપણને ખબર પડી ગઈ કે ચલો આ કપ છે મારી પાસે, આ કપમાં શું ખામીઓ છે, પડી ગયો તૂટી ગયો, તો એના માટે નવા મટીરિયલ આ છે તે છે હું ગોતીને તમને બતાડીશ કે આ નહીં આ કપ ખરીદ મારા પાસથી, તારો કપ તૂટશે નહીં. એટલે એ વસ્તુ આવશે આગળ. ये રીતે આખો मोटिवेशन અને विजन ચાલે.
कि अभी एक चलो सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन जो ऐसा अपना ऐसे देखते हैं वीडियोस वगैरह किसी के भी, तो हर बंदा एक चीज बोलता है कि ये बुक्स पढ़ लो, बराबर, ये बुक्स पढ़ लो, इससे कुछ नॉलेज मिलेगी, इससे कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, ये मिलेगा. तो द सेम क्वेश्चन गोज टू यू, कौन सी बुक्स पढ़ लें?
Maybe I can start. प्रत्युष, honestly speaking, मैंने आज तक 1 या 2 बुक्स पढ़ी है मेरी लाइफ में. मैं honestly कोई बुक्स इतनी प्रेफर नहीं करता. जो भी
હું તો વાંચતો જ નથી. હું વિડીયો વધારે પસંદ કરું બુક કરતા.
એ બરાબર છે. ડિજિટલ વર્લ્ડમાં આપણને હવે વિડીયોઝ અને ઓડિયોઝ વધારે, પોડકાસ્ટ છે, આ છે તે છે, વધારે મજા આવે. So books generally prefer ઓછી કરું, but I really like movies. Like મારી favorite movie છે being an entrepreneur as ગુરુ મૂવી મને બહુ ગમે છે. So એ રીતે આ બધી વસ્તુ ખબર જ હતી. આ બધી વસ્તુ મને મોટિવેટ કરે છે. So movie it's something that you find more comfortable. જ્યાંથી તમને મોટિવેશન મળે, just go for that. Don't just go for conventional. Like લોકો કહે છે book વાંચો, ધક્કો મારીને book વાંચવાની જરૂર નથી. I know Kunal, like he likes reading books, so maybe he can tell about that.
I think जय बुक्स इसीलिए पढ़ता है क्योंकि उसको बुक्स या फिर मूवीज या जो भी पॉडकास्ट देखता है बिकॉज ही नीड्स मोटिवेशन. ठीक है, उसने जैसे बोला, तो even I read books and movies and podcasts for motivation and inspiration. But you see, knowledge જે હોય એ બુક્સ માંથી જ આવે. બેચલર્સમાં આપણે 4 વર્ષ ભણ્યા તો આપણે બુક્સ જ વાંચી છે. And basically I try to apply the same formula after bachelor's too. કે अगर कुछ भी सीखना है तो the best thing to do is read a book about it. ठीक है, बुक नहीं पढ़ने ठीक है, आर्टिकल पढ़ दो. और प्रत्युष इज आस्किंग व्हाट बुक्स, क्या ये बुक्स पढ़ दोगे तो पार हो, ये बुक्स पढ़ दोगे तो. सिंपल सा बनता है, एक बुक पढ़िए तो उसमें से जो भी पढ़ा है ना उसको अप्लाई कर लो तो वो बहुत है भाई. एक बुक 200 पेज की एक बुक की चीज कॉन्सेप्ट को अप्लाई करना इज अ टफ टास्क. पूरी जिंदगी निकल जाती है, 2 साल 3 साल 10 साल निकल जाते हैं, लेकिन उस चीज को हम अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि बोलना इज वेरी इजी लेकिन उस चीज को करना इज वेरी टफ. और पर्सनली मैं बहुत सारी बुक्स पढ़ता हूँ बेसिकली नॉलेज के लिए, क्योंकि मुझे डिजाइन का काफी नॉलेज नहीं है क्योंकि मेरी डिग्री इंजीनियरिंग की. तो आई ट्राई टू रीड मोर एंड मोर डिजाइन बुक्स, आर्टिकल्स है, मैगजीन्स है, तो ये पढ़ के मुझे डिजाइन का नॉलेज मिलता है जो मुझे पहले नहीं है. तो आई रीड बुक्स फॉर नॉलेज. और ऐसा कुछ नहीं है पर्टिकुलर बुक पढ़ो या वो पढ़ो, लेकिन बेसिकली वो पढ़ो जो तुम्हें एक्साइट करता है, जिससे एक्साइटमेंट मिलता है. ऐसे क्या बात है, ये क्या बात, क्या चीज है, वो पढ़ो. उसके जैसी और 5 पढ़ो.
Can you guys hear me
Answer I
now?
was looking for.
No, but I love those two answers. Like, and from this I can see that Kunal, you're much more of a guy who wants to read, who's fixated more towards the problem. But Jay, I want to ask you. So, are you more of a guy like who's fixated towards the problem, or are you like, why I like that result, I like the fame as well? Because trust me, man, there's nothing wrong in being that way as well. At least I like to think so.
So I'll start talking about my journey. Like in last 3 months, I started one more venture here in Germany. Like I was trying to solve a problem of cups here. I'm living in the city. It's named Freiburg. So basically, they have cups which are actually harmful to the environment, and it's worldwide being used. They're plastic cups. So European Union is gonna ban them in 2021. So we thought of introducing our Indian Kullards. So Indian Kullards for the coffee, for chai and all stuff here. So initially I had 5 team members here, including me. And apart from that, I wanted a designer. And that's when I thought of including Kunal as well. So from May, I guess, we registered for a competition. It's called Spark. It's a startup competition, and we were developing our idea from scratch. Like we want to make clay cups here in Germany, and we want to sell them here itself, which are actually good for like less bad for the environment compared to the plastic cups.
Definitely.
So why I am telling this story? Because I was stuck to the solution once. Like in last 2 months, I was stuck to the Kullards, but they were not solving our problem of environment friendly cups. So that's why I learned from the experience that as Kunal suggested, you need to stick to your problem. You need to love your problem, and you need to find a solution to that problem instead of just sticking to a solution. So I also changed my philosophy, and I'd say I am more inclined towards solving problems instead of sticking to a solution.
So for all our viewers out there, that's actually some wonderful piece of advice from both you guys. And I think you can only learn that from experience, or rather, hopefully watching this video, you learn that as well. So you guys must have inspired some people by that way. So please, viewers, do comment if you have been changed in your thought of philosophy, or rather, if you think there's a better philosophy. Because again, we are all here to just learn and improve and make ourselves better. And we all have a difference in opinions. So I want to ask this too. So you guys seem like guys who keep on inventing, doing something another to solve one problem or the other. Now, how hard has that been during these times of the pandemic and during the lockdown? Because Germany was affected differently from India as well. So I'd like to get those two contrasting perspectives.
Maybe Kunal, you can start.
If we talk about India has kind of dealt with the pandemic pretty nicely compared to the leading countries like America or the European countries.
Oh, America's gone, bro. Like, it's...
all the things that Trump is trying to do, but even politics apart, India has dealt with the pandemic quite good, better than expected actually. So what happened during the pandemic was everything was obviously stalled. The whole economy was stalled, and there was no buying, there was no selling. Basically, everyone is resting in their houses. And the problem that we faced the reason was that we are actually an idea stage startup. There are a lot of idea stage startups. So we are trying to create new things. And for that reason, we need to go out in the field and buy some stuff and make them this and make them do that and this. Basically, we need to play the field, and the field was locked. So the problem that we faced was being mechanical engineers, being in the mechanical field, we could not go out in the field. So for 2 months, we could not touch the prototype that we were working on. So the prototype was halfway through the progress and it was eating dust in the workshop. So we were stuck, like what the hell is going to happen now? Our prototype is stuck and we have to show demo the next month and all that. But basically everyone is facing the pandemic. Okay, we are not an exception, nor is everyone else. Okay, so basically what happened was the guy we are supposed to show demo was also locked down. His factory was also closed. So there's no means. So basically everyone is facing the same problem, and there's no need to rush, or no need to tackle the whole situation. Just keep our calm, take some rest, and do the due diligence that is left. So what we did was we worked on the technical stuff that we could work from our computers. We solved a very big number of technical issues that we were facing. So it bought us some time that we didn't have before. We didn't panic, and we tried to solve the problems that we couldn't before.
Cool. That's actually really cool. Yeah, I never looked at the problem that way though. So this has given you more time to work on your technical issues and problems which you faced before. That's a good way, wonderful way to look at it. What about you, Jay? How's it been for you in Germany?
So talking about Germany, initially I didn't realize until January or February, I being in Germany, I will be affected by a pandemic. But since the lockdown started, I was like, fuck, what I'm gonna do? I have to stay home. I have to attend classes through Zoom calls and all. It was really frustrating at some point. But at that point of time, I managed to find some time for my own hobbies. And apart from hobbies, I also managed to work on my own skills of language skills. I needed to improve on my German language. I improved that. And apart from that, I also found this opportunity of Spark competition for a startup. So I had this idea of introducing pull-outs, and I talked to my friends, and I made a team. And yeah, I guess I used the time.
So this was all during the pandemic. Is when you came. Wow, that's cool, man.
Yeah. The reason why I decided to do this because I needed to change plans, because initially I had a conventional plan of studying and then doing my internship, and then I might visit India. But everything changed. Corona fucked up. So literally I had to change the plans. I focused on my language. I focused on my hobbies. I really learned how to find peace, I would say, and calm myself.
Wow.
Because initially I was not a person used to do things calmly. I used to do things all together. I was a bit messy, but now I'm a bit less messy. So yeah, those were the learnings from me in Corona pandemic.
The common thing I find, at least in the terms of people we've interviewed so far, who've been on the show on therapy sessions, and even some friends we know who haven't been on the show, just who we talk to. People like you guys who want to solve problems, who are artists, they have found a way to even work through this pandemic. And people who did not work before, or rather saying I'll do it tomorrow, who had excuses, still have an excuse. Now they have the perfect excuse. It was pandemic. I couldn't do anything about it. So I guess it was not about if you have free time, you can do something. It's about how committed you are to doing something. And I guess you guys have shown that you are committed to solving any problem which you guys can find. And I guess that's really important for someone to start a business. So hats off to you guys for that. Cheers to that.
Thank you.
So I have two questions for you.
बोलो
क्या बोल रहे?
अरे मेरा भी क्वेश्चन था, तू पूछ ले पहले.
हाँ बोल.
अच्छा, તો મારો ક્વેશ્ચન હતો પૈસાને રિલેટેડ, બરાબર? આપણે ગુજરાતી છીએ તો પૈસાનું પહેલા વિચારીએ, બરાબર? તો પ્રોબ્લેમ છે, આઈડિયા બી છે, પૈસા વગર તો આગળ કંઈ થવાનું નથી, બરાબર? તો ફંડિંગ લાવવું હોય, મતલબ કોઈ તમારામાં પૈસા ઇન્વેસ્ટ કરે, કોઈ ઇન્વેસ્ટર, તો ઇન્વેસ્ટરને એટ્રેક્ટ કરવા કંઈક તમારી પાસે એવું કંઈક હોવું જોઈએ ને, કે આજે 10 સ્ટાર્ટઅપ છે તો કોઈ ઇન્વેસ્ટર આવ્યો છે તો તમારામાં કેમ ઇન્વેસ્ટ કરે, તો એવું એટ્રેક્ટ કરવા માટે કે એવું તો કયું એક્સાઇટમેન્ટ એલિમેન્ટ તમે યુઝ કરો કે જેનાથી પેલા ઇન્વેસ્ટર વધારે એટ્રેક્ટ?
મેબી કુનાલ, તું પહેલા ઇન્ડિયા વાળું પર્સપેક્ટિવ કે પછી હું જર્મની વાળું કહું?
હા, હું એક જનરલ પર્સપેક્ટિવ જ કહી દઉં ડિરેક્ટલી જયદીપને, કે અમે શું કામ કરીએ છીએ આ બધું સ્ટાર્ટઅપ ને બિઝનેસ ને જે પણ છે, અમને મજા આવે છે. અને બીજું વાત એ કે અમને પૈસા મળવાના, બરાબર? અને અમે શરૂઆત ક્યાંથી કરી? પ્રોબ્લેમથી. કે ભાઈ આ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે અને આ પ્રોબ્લેમ અમારે સોલ્વ કરવું છે. હવે ઇન્વેસ્ટર માણસો કેવા છે કે એ લોકો પણ અહીંયા એના માટે જ આવે છે કે એ લોકોને ખાલી પૈસા જોઈએ છે. એ લોકોને આમાં મજા નથી આવતી, બરાબર? એ લોકોને ખાલી પૈસા જોઈએ. હવે પૈસા એટલે બેઝિકલી એક વેલ્યુ છે, બરાબર? કે હું તને કોફી આપું છું, બરાબર, તો મેં તને વેલ્યુ આપી અને સામે તું મને પૈસા આપે છે, તો મેં તને મટીરિયલિસ્ટિક વેલ્યુ આપીને તે મને ફાઇનાન્શિયલ વેલ્યુ એના એક્સચેન્જમાં આપી. હવે સેમ ફંડો છે, બરાબર? કે મને જે પ્રોબ્લેમ દેખાય છે, જેમ જય ઇકો ફ્રેન્ડલી કપની વાત કરે છે કે ભાઈ અમને દેખાઈ ગયું, એન્જિનિયર્સ ને, બરાબર, ટેકનિશિયન્સ ને દેખાઈ ગયું કે ભાઈ આ ટેકનિકલ પ્રોબ્લેમ બહુ ઇમ્પેક્ટ કરશે. હવે સેમ પ્રોબ્લેમ જો ઇન્વેસ્ટરને પણ દેખાશે કે ભાઈ ઇકો ફ્રેન્ડલી કપ્સ આર અ નીડ ઓફ ધી આવર, તો ઇન્વેસ્ટર જાતે જ આવશે કે ભાઈ સસ્ટેનેબિલિટી વાળા એન્જિનિયર લાવો, બરાબર, અને એ લોકોને પૂછશે કે ભાઈ બનાવો, તમે ઇકો ફ્રેન્ડલી કપ્સ બનાવો. હવે અમારે પણ સેમ પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વ કરવો છે અને ઇન્વેસ્ટર ને પણ એવું જ જોઈએ કે આ પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વ થાય અને હું આમાંથી પૈસા બનાવું. તો ધ થિંગ ઇઝ કે the investors and the startups or the business owners are working towards the same cause કે ભાઈ બંનેને પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વ કરવો છે. એટલે બંને સેમ, બંનેનો ગોલ સેમ છે, તો એ બંને શું કામ જોડે કામ નહીં કરે, બરાબર? એ સિમ્પલ વસ્તુ છે કે આ એસેન્સ છે આખો ટોટલ.
I just have one question before Jay goes ahead. I just have one question for you, Kunal. In the sense, like, do investors actually have the same passion you guys have? Because I'm pretty sure that's not true. They're just there to make money, right? Like, at least that's the understanding I had so far.
Basically, if you
go ahead.
look at investor, अगर investors को देखोगे, अगर at random 100 investors तुम कहीं से भी निकालोगे, तो 100 में से I guess more than half are people like us who have built up business from nothing or who have owned family businesses. तो वो भी businessmen ही, तो उन लोग को भी सेम चीज पता है कि भाई कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो, पैसा मिलेगा, और इस पैसे को बढ़ाना है तो क्या करोगे, और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करोगे. तो दैट इज द फंडा कि वो हमारे जैसे ही लोग हैं.
I see. So they are passionate towards what you want to solve.
Not exactly, but they are passionate about solving problems and making money out of it. The same thing we are passionate about.
So maybe I can add more to that. Like there are
Yeah.
investors of different section. Like if I am going to make a eco-friendly cup, then there are investors who are into sustainable business. So मैं कार वाले के जाके पास उसके पास जाके पैसा नहीं मांगूंगा कि मेरे को कप बनाने को पैसे दे. मैं जाऊंगा उसके
obviously.
पास कि जो एनवायरनमेंट को सुधारने के लिए पैसा लगाएगा. So that's the thing. Like investor और हमारे स्टार्टअप का मोटिवेशन सेम है, तो वो हमारा सोल्यूशन देखेगा, इंटरेस्ट दिखाएगा, तब वो पूछेगा कि तुम्हारा सोल्यूशन का क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है फ्यूचर में, तुम कितनी हद तक जा सकते हो इसको सॉल्व करने में. वो सब अगर कन्विंस होता है तो एंड में जाके आपको मिलेगा रोकड़ा.
So any other questions, Pratish? You were having a question right before I ask mine. Yeah.
एक बेसिक क्वेश्चन, टाइम मैनेजमेंट.
Push. That's like एक basic question. Time management. Speak, monkey, speak.
नहीं मतलब ऐसा तू
नहीं, वो टाइम मैनेजमेंट का पूछ के टाइम बचा रहा है कि टाइम मैनेजमेंट बोल दिया, अभी तुम कम टाइम में बताओ.
टाइम मैनेजमेंट.
There's like extra understanding, bro. Like this ain't like what I'm pretty sure Pratish didn't think about that. I guarantee you.
Depends on perspective.
Agreed. Please, anyway, so
yeah.
प्रत्युष को पूछ रहा था.
नहीं, उसने
टाइम मैनेजमेंट
के बारे में
तू और टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है
जैसे
कुणाल.
वही क्वेश्चन था.
कुणाल और टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है कुणाल, प्लीज.
that is the key. Like, वो actually I think Pratish is testing कौन इतना time management, who's managing the time properly, है ना Pratish? कुणाल की जय.
मैं प्रणय लास्ट आ रहा है शायद.
I do not like to keep time, especially on my stand-up performance. क्योंकि if they tell me 15 minutes, I'm gonna drag it to half an hour. क्योंकि I like talking, man. लोग unless they kick me out of the stage, why would I go out?
अच्छा, कोई सुने ना सुने, आपको बोलना है.
पॉइंट है ब्रो.
सही है ना? ओके. क्योंकि लास्ट कुछ मिनटों से मैं सुन नहीं रहा था आपको, बट नेवर माइंड, अच्छा था. बेसिकली
Not bad.
So basically talking about time management.
You know the fun part about this is the questions about time management. This is the worstly managed question on time.
अच्छा चलो, लेट मी फ्रेम द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर्ली, ठीक है? ऐसे अपने नहीं तो ऐसे मस्ती मस्ती में कहीं भी निकल जाएंगे, फिर वो अबे साले मोमेंट आ जाएगा, अबे साले।
भाई पूरा दिन है, आप क्वेश्चन बनाओ, हम बैठे इधर।
हाँ तो देखो कि स्टार्टअप चालू किया, स्टार्टअप में बहुत सारे सेगमेंट्स है कंट्रोल करने के लिए, मैनेज करने के लिए। तो अभी हर चीज को कितना टाइम देना है, किस चीज पे कितना टाइम पे चीज रोक देनी है, उसको कैसे मैनेज करने का फिर उसके बाद। अभी खाली स्टार्टअप तो है नहीं, तो वी आर लिविंग आवर ओन लाइफ, वी हैव आवर वर्क टू डू। लेट्स से you are currently performing masters, right? You are currently into masters. You are into masters, he is into venture studio and researching accordingly along with the startup. So how do you manage your time?
So basically for me, startup is something that I never get tired of. So basically when I start my day, I finish my academic work first and other necessary things. And from the evening, I devote my whole time for startup research. So I work until like 10 or 11 at night for startup regarding research. And when it comes to deadlines and how much time to devote to different sections. So we didn't thought of devoting times to different section while we were doing startup in India. When I was in India. So when I came to Germany, there were different deadlines for this competition. That's where we learned how to divide our time, how to set deadlines. And what I have learned from it is that we have to set small goals, like 3-month or 6-month goals. And after that, we have to take decisions at those period of time. Like if we have achieved this goal, then this will be the next milestone. So smaller milestones and working on those milestones is something that motivates and is helpful for a startup.
What about you, Kunal? Like your perspective on it?
I think Jay pretty much clearly said a very, give a very good perspective on how to manage time working on two different things. Personally, before I was working on two things, my bachelor's and the project, but now currently I'm working only on the startup. So the current situation I am in right now is, like Jay said, setting milestones. I try to set macro level milestones, like 2-month milestone or 6-month milestone or maybe a 1-month milestone. So currently I'm working on 1-month segmentation. हर एक महीने का कुछ ना कुछ milestone रहता है, ये डेट पर ये देना, ये डेट पर ये देना. The reason being कि जितना छोटा milestone लगाओगे उतना उसको complete करना will be tough. क्योंकि हम कुछ भी predict करते कि भाई ये चीज 5 दिन में हो जाएगी, तो we all know कि वो 5 के 7 दिन हो जाते, 5 के 10 दिन हो जाते, 5 के चलो 6 दिन हो जाते. We all know that. We are very bad at predicting things, ठीक है. और startup में क्या है, हम अकेले तो है नहीं. We are working with 50 different people, 50 different places, 50 different things. तो इन सारी चीजों को अगर हम फैक्टर करें, roughly, तो हम कुछ भी प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर पाते इजीली, कोई भी हो, ठीक है. मेरे एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से मैं प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर पाता. तो आई ट्राई टू सेट मैक्रो माइलस्टोन्स. 1 महीने का माइलस्टोन लगाया और फिर आई ट्राई टू कीप दैट इन द बैक ऑफ माय माइंड, और मैं डिसाइड कर लेता कि भाई ये महीने ये कंप्लीट करना है, तो मुझे आज क्या कंप्लीट करना है, कि भाई आज मैं इतना कंप्लीट करूंगा, बस दैट्स इट. फिर पूरे दिन में मैं कुछ भी डेलीकेट नहीं करता, भाई ये घंटे में ये करूंगा. आई ट्राई टू बी एज फ्री एज पॉसिबल. मैं मेरे टाइम का क्रिएटिव यूज करना चाहता हूँ कि भाई शाम हुई है, मेरे दोस्त अचानक आ गए, चल भाई खेलने, आई विल नॉट सैक्रिफाइस ऑन दैट. मैं भी जाऊंगा उनके साथ खेलने, ठीक है. रात को ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई एक नया आर्टिकल मिल गया और ब्रेक थ्रू आ रहा है पूरे रिसर्च में, आई गिव एक्स्ट्रा 2 आवर्स ऑन दैट. तो क्रिएटिव यूज ऑफ टाइम और मैक्रो लेवल का गोल सेटिंग, तो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जैसे जय बोल रहा था, मैक्रो लेवल का गोल सेटिंग, दैट इज प्रीटी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि उससे हम डिसिप्लिन में रहते. So that's how I do it.
Wonderful answer, Kunal. Actually, I really like some of the points you made, but I was a bit distracted by something Jay did. What was the? I'm pretty sure you all saw that on screen, right? So what did you do, Jay? Like, can you do it again?
Basically, I just wanted to market our startup.
please do. Yeah, it was written MKM. So please put it up again.
Yeah.
So what is the full form of that? MKM, मिट्टी के मटके.
मिट्टी की महक, मिट्टी की.
I got the first word correctly.
नहीं मैं समझे जब मिट्टी की महक बोलता हुआ कहीं प्रॉब्लम है.
બહુ અઘરું પડેલું સમજાવતા ભાઈ लिटरली हमारा टीम में एक जर्मन दोस्त है हमारी सो उसके पास से हमने काफी चीजें लिखवाई जर्मन में इंग्लिश में और सबको एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ा था बट जब हम ट्रेडिशनल नाम रखते हैं तो दैट शोज दैट हम कितने ट्रेडिशनल सॉल्यूशन ला रहे हैं सो वो एक मोटिवेशन था सो like 3 or 4 days back we had this final for Mitti Ki Mehak startup pitch but yeah somehow we didn't manage to be like win the prize but yeah we are still working on our idea so yeah
Sure.
this is our team Mitti Ki Mehak guys please follow our Instagram
Definitely. Please, viewers, please do that. We'll add their links on down below. No problem at all. We are glad to support you guys, especially promoting Mitti Ki Mehak, a German brand brought by Indians.
मिट्टी की महक से मेरे को एक चीज अभी जस्ट मिट्टी की महक फील हुई मेरे यहाँ पे बारिश चालू हुई अभी मैं जाके कूलर बनाएगा नीचे
What about Kunal? Kunal, what about your brand? Like, why don't you put it up as well if you have it on screen?
मैं फोटोज दिखा था जो हमने जयदीप के साथ क्लिक किए थे स्क्रीन जाएंगे आज मिलेगा करते
हाँ जी मैं आपको फॉलो करता हूँ
guys अभी और कितना बाकी है सॉरी
बस इसके
हाँ
बाद
जी,
खत्म कर देते
મારે
टाइम मैनेजमेट
કરવું પડે ભાઈ અઘરું પડે અહીંયા બધું સ્પેશિયલી જર્મન તો ટાઈમ ની પાછળ પડેલા હોય વાટ લગાડી દે
once Kunal shares that and then I'll finish it up with one question then we're done.
અરે મારે એક ક્વેશ્ચન હતો
Yeah, please go on.
પૈસા રિલેટેડ કે ઠીક છે કે
एक
પૈસા રિલેટેડ છે કે હા
एक सेकंड प्रणय एक्सेस नहीं मिला मुझे
नहीं वो
प्रत्युष
प्रत्युष देगा मेरे पास नहीं
कहाँ से देते
अच्छा
हैं
स्क्रीन
स्क्रीन शेयरिंग
रहेगा
ऐसा हो तो अगर
हाँ जयदीप यू में कंटिन्यू
कुणाल वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड में दिखा देना वो अपना प्रोटोटाइप
डन मैंने शेयरिंग की परमिशन दे दी है
हाँ मिल गया
जयदीप भाई बोलो તમે હું જવાબ આપું તમને
હા તો એવું હશે કે તમારી સાથે જે ભણતા હશે ફ્રેન્ડ અમુકને સારી જોબ લાગી ગઈ હશે સારા પૈસા કમાતા હશે તો
Jaydeep,
વાવ
just a second, look at that. That's what is the name of the company again? I actually didn't ask, sorry for that.
कंपनी तो नहीं है लेकिन स्टार्टअप का नाम है शिनअप
Okay.
in English means climbing up.
Whoa, so that's the product, right? The okay, cool, man. I met some interesting people today. So did the viewers. You see, viewers, I told you, you guys won't be disappointed by today because the people we brought on are really exciting. Look at that, man. That's the thing they created.
પેલી ટીમ નો ફોટો भी बताइए ना एक बार જે
हाँ, ये
આપણે
बीजू को बताऊं।
अरे, जिसको नहीं पता है वो रोबोट है पता है इट्स लाइक अ रोबोट रिमोट से चलता है
ACB remote.
Correct.
नियोलॉजी
So wait a minute, does that robot actually like, is it like, it has a few commands, but can it like think of, whoa, okay, so this is your whole team,
nice.
right?
This is our team.
Okay, cool.
I cannot recognize myself
Wait, where is Jay, by the way?
yeah I am the
This
standing
is Jay?
one. Yep.
Yes.
Oh my god, dude,
Hey,
what
bro.
happened to you?
तो तेरे को गलत लग रहा है तू वो नहीं है मैं बता रहा हूँ ना तू वो नहीं है
Wait a minute, I can't even recognize Kunal in this.
कुणाल
अरे
hairstyle aha
ओह ये ऐसा वो
ये-
बड़ा वाला मोहक
ये निकी है ना निक
कॉम्पिड
हाँ
Dude, like
ये
seriously.
कोड वाला बंदा है नाम मुझे नहीं
मैं-
पता
So
जयदीप
I
भाई
want to
का
ask you, so
सवाल
does that, sorry?
जयदीप भाई का एक पैसों के रिलेटेड सवाल था
हाँ।
वो
Yeah,
कब पूछना
please go.
चाह रहे थे
તો તમારા ઘણા ફ્રેન્ડ હશે બેસ્ટ ફ્રેન્ડ હશે જે સારી જોબ પર લાગી ગયા હશે સારું પૈસા કમાતા હશે પણ અત્યારે તમે સ્ટાર્ટઅપમાં છો તો તમને ખબર છે કે શરૂઆતના આટલા વર્ષ તો અમારે હાથમાં કંઈ આવવાનું નથી ઠીક છે કે આટલી જ અમાઉન્ટ આવવાની છે અમે બીજા જોબ કરતા હશે એટલી અમાઉન્ટ સુધી અમે નહીં પહોંચી શકીએ તો અને આપણે છીએ ગુજરાતી તો જનરલી કેવું હોય કે તમારી ડિગ્રી પતે એટલે ઘરવાળા તમને કહે કે હવે મહિને આટલા રૂપિયા આપવાનું શરૂ કર તો એક કઈ રીતે મેનેજ કરો છો
Yeah, that's actually a question I wanted to ask as well. Like, how are your parents or your household people like okay with this? Like, because I know you guys are starting something, you want to solve something, which is really noble, but there's something to talk about house pressure as well. And it's not just you guys. A lot of people of our generation or any generation who come in that early 20s face that. So, how did you guys overcome that? Rather, how your perspectives on it, rather?
So talking about financial security, पहले पहले लगा कि अगर पूरा टाइम इसको दे देंगे तो एंड में फ्रस्ट्रेशन होने लगेगा और शायद छोड़ दे स्टार्टअप का. सो उस वजह से मैंने पर्सनली मास्टर्स शुरू किया और बैकएंड में साथ में स्टार्टअप आइडियाज डेवलप करते रहना सोचा, ताकि दोनों चीज बैलेंस करके यहाँ से नॉलेज मिल रहा है मास्टर से और इसमें मैं स्टार्टअप में अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ. सो दैट वाज माय मोटिवेशन. एंड जहाँ तक फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी की बात आती है, सो फैमिली अभी काफी अच्छे से सपोर्ट कर रही है अभी तक. एंड या आई एम गोना स्टार्ट वर्किंग फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट मंथ, so उस वजह से सब बैलेंस हो जाएगा. बट फैमिली हैज ऑलवेज बीन एन सपोर्टिव पार्ट इन माय लाइफ, बिकॉज उन्होंने कभी नहीं कहा कि ये मत कर. सब चीज के लिए जो भी कुछ नया करना है हाँ बोला है. Never demotivated me, and that's what matters for me. So yeah.
And Kunal, your perspective on this. And by the way, Jay, like I'm glad that your family is supporting you through this. I guess that's one perspective to look at. What about you, Kunal? Is it the same situation with you?
It's pretty much the same situation. I think my family supported me pretty much in all terms. I think emotionally, financially. ठीक है. और like Jaideep was talking about peer pressure and all that stuff के मेरे दोस्त को जॉब मिल गई, सेट हो रहा है, शादी हो रही है, पैसे कमाना है. ठीक है. बेसिकली ગુજરાતીમાં તમને કહું તો દર મહિને એક ઝાડથી સફરજન તોડીને ખાવા વર્સિસ પોતાનું ઝાડ ઉગાવવું, તો it takes great courage કે ભાઈ પોતાની વાડી ઊભી કરવી અને બીજાના ઝાડમાંથી फ्रूट तोड़ीने खावा. दैट आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. और जिसको जो समझ आ रहा है, जिसको जो बिलीव करना है वो करे, उसको स्टिक करके रहे. ठीक है. सही है. ठीक है. मेरे भी सारी फ्रेंड्स है, वो उनका ऐसा ही है कि उन सबके बिजनेसेस है या फिर वो जॉब्स में लग गए. ठीक है. आई ट्राई टू सपोर्ट देम एंड आई ट्राई टू आस्क फॉर सपोर्ट टू, कि भाई तू मुझे भी सपोर्ट कर, मैं भी तुझे सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ. और सेम थिंग गोज विद माय फैमिली. माय फैमिली हैज अ लॉट ऑफ इंजीनियर्स एंड अ फ्यू एमबीएस, सो आई ट्राई टू टेक द सपोर्ट कि भाई मुझे सपोर्ट करो, मुझे ये चीज में हेल्प करो. ठीक है. सो दैट्स द थिंग. एंड आई ट्राई टू स्टिक विद द वन मोटो कि भाई जो कंपाउंडेड चीजें जो होती है ना, आई मीन तो कंपाउंडेड रिजल्ट्स होते हैं ना, उनको आने में टाइम लगता है. तो आई एम स्टेइंग पेशेंट एंड स्टिकिंग, आई मीन परसिस्टेंट रहने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. जब कंपाउंडेड रिजल्ट शुरू होंगे तो दे वोंट स्टॉप एंड दे विल बी वेरी बिग.
मतलब આજે એક સફરજન નથી ખાવું, કાલે આખી વાડી આપણે જોઈએ છે.
बस यही चीज तो मेरे को एक चीज बोलनी थी कि ये जो था, जो फ्रेज था वो गुजराती में था, उसका एसेंस आया. अभी जो इंग्लिश व्यूअर्स हैं, तो कैन यू कन्वर्ट दैट इन इंग्लिश और हिंदी फॉर देम?
अच्छे से हिंदी में इंग्लिश में बताता हूँ
मैं भी जर्मन में कर दूंगा. चलो
चलो, excellent. Please do that.
माफ करो भाई. बाय द वे, कुणाल अगर इतना अच्छा बोलता है तो एंड में एक और स्टार्टअप आइडिया अभी मिला. यहाँ पे डिजिटल कंटेंट क्रिएटर है सारे और ये अपना बोलने वाला बंदा है. तो एंड में कुछ नहीं हुआ तो मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर का कुछ यूट्यूब खोल के चालू कर देंगे अपना.
Done. No problem. I'll write. We can. By the way, I'm a writer as well, in case you didn't know. So, Thanks for marketing. Of course. Everything is a place for marketing, brother. Why not? Yeah, Kunal. So you please finish that. So,
I mean, I cannot phrase it very perfectly.
Just the essence of it, if you can.
I mean, doing a job versus starting up a business is like when you are doing a job, you are relying on someone else, not being independent for earning your. Basically for your survival. Basically, you are depending on someone else for your survival, someone else's fruits for your survival. And when you are starting up new businesses, new ventures, you are trying to create your own source of survival. Like you get it. Like it's like planting a tree versus, asking for fruits every day.
Maybe I can try.
Yeah, please.
English.
Yeah.
वेरी वेरी
German
इंग्लिश
if you want.
German में
German if you want.
नहीं इंग्लिश, हाँ जर्मन में बोल.
So basically कुणाल ने जो कहा वो थोड़ा अंग्रेजी में आपको बताता हूँ कि you sorry थोड़ा कट कर देना, sorry I prefer my own tree instead of buying my apple from someone else.
So that's how he's comparing your own startup to a business. Yeah, wonderfully put. But yeah, that's wonderfully put. And I guess, talking to you guys, it's really been fun. Like, just having these conversations with you to know that this, to be very honest, this is just our first conversation. Like for all three of us, especially with me. So
Okay, before ending, I have just one more question. The last question for this session. Do you know about Robert Kiyosaki? The finance guy, Robert Kiyosaki.
I think he's the writer of Rich Dad Poor Dad, or I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
I have read that book. Yeah.
So he
so
has
the one book you read.
Yeah.
So he divides occupations like employed, self-employed, then businessman, then investor. तो अभी देखो स्टार्टअप किया मतलब बिजनेस में आए, खुद का कर रहे हैं जैसे साइंटिस्ट हो गया, आर्टिस्ट हो गया, ये सब हो गए, वो सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड है. तो अभी यहाँ से वहां जंप कैसे करने का?
मतलब स्टार्टअप से बिजनेस?
ना स्टार्टअप से बिजनेस. स्टार्टअप इज अ बिजनेस, बराबर.
ओके.
अभी यहाँ से वहां पे जंप के मतलब सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड, बराबर, कि मेरे को आइडिया आया, मैं कर रहा हूँ, सब कुछ मैं कर रहा हूँ. वहां से उसके जंप कैसे करने का, ऐसा ट्रस्ट कैसे लाने का कि आई कैन ट्रस्ट दिस पर्सन फॉर दिस, कि मार्केटिंग में पूरी इसको दे सकता हूँ, डिजाइनिंग में पूरी इसको दे सकता हूँ. पहले सब कुछ मैं कर रहा था कि आई वाज जैक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड्स. अभी उसके बाद मैंने बोला कि मैं संभालता हूँ, तुम लोग बाकी की चीजें मैं तुम लोग में डिवाइड कर देता हूँ. तो ऐसा मतलब अब मैं सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड हूँ, मैं ये सब कर रहा हूँ, तो अभी पहले तो मेरे को ऐसे डाइजेस्ट करने में दिक्कत होगी कि अच्छा ये सारा मैं संभाला था, मेरे जितना एफिशिएंट और कोई होगा कि नहीं. पहली चीज वहां पे ऐसे करके दिक्कत ऐसे बढ़ता जाता है ऐसा. तो उसको कैसे डील करने का उससे?
सो जहां तक मैं आपका सवाल समझा, तो बेसिकली अगर मैं सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड होता तो मैं एक पॉइंट के बाद तंग आ जाता. मुझे किसी के साथ अंडर रह के काम नहीं करना है, मुझे रूल्स उनके फॉलो नहीं करना है. सो वो ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट होगा. तो उसके बाद मैं खुद का शुरू करूंगा या कोई स्टार्टअप में जाऊंगा, कोई बिजनेस में. सो वो पॉइंट के बाद मैं स्टार्टअप की तरफ इंक्लाइन होगा. और रही बात कैसे काम डिवाइड करने की, तो वो आएगा भरोसे से. बेसिकली हम वही लोगों को,
मेन क्वेश्चन है ट्रस्ट. हाउ डू यू डेवलप ट्रस्ट?
Are you talking about trust with
कुणाल और आप एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं हो, ठीक है?
ओके.
तो लेट्स से यू आर गुड इन डिजाइनिंग, ही इज गुड इन थिंकिंग, थॉट प्रोसेस, ठीक है, मार्केटिंग, थिंकिंग. अभी पहले ये कुणाल ही सब कुछ कर रहा था, डिजाइन भी यही कर रहा था, ये कर रहा था, सब कुछ ऐसा था. उसके बाद उसने डिजाइन का पूरा पार्ट उठा के आपको दे दिया. वहां पे कुछ लेवल ऑफ ट्रस्ट चाहिए रहेगा कि हाँ ये बंदा संभाल सकता है. तो अभी ठीक है, आप दोनों एक दूसरे को जानते हो, तो यू नो द फ्लॉज. अभी अगर आप मेरे को देते हो, आप बोलते हो कि यू हैंडल द डिजाइन सेक्शन, तो हाउ वुड यू जनरेट या डेवलप ट्रस्ट इन मी?
सो आपके सवाल का जवाब आपके क्वेश्चन में ही था कि मैं कुणाल को जानता हूँ वो उसकी स्किल्स के बारे में. अगर जैसे मैं मार्केटिंग का बंदा हूँ तो वो मुझे डिजाइन का नहीं देगा, उसको पता है कि मैं सब बिगाड़ दूंगा काम. सो वो बेसिकली ट्रस्ट चीज है ना, वो थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस या उस बंदे को जानना पड़ेगा कि तू किस चीज में सही है, उसके स्किल सेट देखना पड़ेगा. जैसे आप सब लोग एमएससी कर रहे हो तो आप सब लोग को पता होगा कि हाउ थिंग्स वर्क इन फार्मेसी एंड प्रोबेबली फार्मेसी, राइट?
Kind of. We're more. I'm at least.
Okay.
I'm
Sorry
more
for
of a
generalizing. Sorry
Yeah,
for
it's
generalizing.
It's fine.
So मैं आपको मैकेनिकल का काम नहीं दूंगा, क्योंकि वो तब बात आती है लीडरशिप की. तो वो लीडर को पता होना चाहिए कि कौन से स्किल किस में है, वो स्किल के हिसाब से, क्योंकि वो स्किल है वो एम्प्लॉय में, वो इंसान में, वो जिससे वो मोटिवेटेड है. जैसे कुणाल डिजाइन से मोटिवेटेड है तो मैं उसको प्रोडक्ट का सब दे देगा. मेरे को आंख बंद करके दे दूंगा, वो कर देगा रात पूरी जाग के. सो बेसिकली वो स्किल के मुताबिक पूरा ट्रस्ट डेवलप होता है.
अच्छा, अभी कुणाल, मैंने वही बोला ना, कुणाल को आप जानते हो,
एक सिंपल
अभी
एक
मेरी-
सिंपल मैं एक सिंपल मैं एनालॉजी आपको देता हूँ, शायद आपका आंसर क्लियर हो जाए। मान लो कि आप लोग एक प्लेन में बैठे हो, ठीक है। प्लेन में तुम 3 लोग ही हो, एक आप हो प्रत्युष खुद और उसके अलावा 2 बंदे, ठीक है। तेरा पार्सल नीचे पहुंचाना है, तू नहीं कूदेगा नीचे, तेरे को पार्सल नीचे पहुंचाना है, ठीक है। मान ले मैं और जय है। अभी नीचे कैसे जाते हैं प्लेन से? या तो प्लेन खुद नीचे उतरेगा, वो तो तुझे करना नहीं, या तो बंदा नीचे उतरता है, ठीक है। मान ले मैं नीचे कूदता हूँ लेकिन मेरे पास पैराशूट नहीं है, समझ रहे? तो मैं नीचे कूदा, पैराशूट नहीं है, मैं नीचे जाके मर जाऊंगा, तेरा पार्सल नहीं पहुंचेगा। अभी जय है, मान ले जय के पास पैराशूट है, जय नीचे गया, पैराशूट खोला, उतरा, पार्सल डिलीवर किया, बात खत्म। तो पहली बार जब तू ये करेगा ना, तब तेरे को देखेगा कि हाँ यार, ये कुणाल और जय तो सेम लग रहे थे, प्लेन के अंदर तो सेम लग रहे थे, लेकिन प्लेन के नीचे उतरे तब पता चला कि भाई इसके पास तो पैराशूट नहीं है। और बाद में ये पता चला कि जय का पैराशूट बहुत ही अच्छा है, वो ना ही पेड़ में अटक रहा है ना ही पानी में गिर रहा है। तो ट्रस्ट ऐसी ही चीज है कि भाई पहली बार जाओगे तो यू आर ऑब्वियसली टेकिंग अ रिस्क, कि भाई किसी भी डिजाइनर को काम दोगे, प्रोडक्शन वाले बंदे को काम दोगे, ऑडियो वाले बंदे को काम दोगे, तो फर्स्ट टाइम इज ऑलवेज अ रिस्क। लेकिन एक बार जब तुम काम करते हो, तुमको उसकी स्किल देख के पता चल जाए कि भाई ये पैराशूट पानी में नहीं उतरेगा, ये पेड़ पे नहीं लटकेगा। तो जितना ज्यादा बार उसके एक बंदे के साथ काम करते हो, तो एक गट गट फीलिंग पैदा होने लगती है कि भाई नहीं, जय का टेक्निकल स्किल वेल एंड गुड है, ठीक है, कुणाल का डिजाइन बहुत ही सही है। तो जैसे जैसे काम करते जाते हैं वैसे ट्रस्ट बढ़ता जाता है। और आई थिंक स्टार्टअप के लिए इट्स काइंड ऑफ ट्रिकी थिंग, क्योंकि हम लोग 1000 अलग जगह पे काम करते हैं और हर बार नए नए बंदे होते हैं, तो हम हर बार रिस्क लेते हैं। तो इसीलिए लोग आई थिंक स्टार्टअप्स में कम घुसते हैं, क्योंकि इट्स अ वेरी रिस्की थिंग, क्योंकि सारी चीजें नई होती है। तो इट्स सिंपल आंसर है, ट्रस्ट टाइम के साथ और ज्यादा से ज्यादा काम करने के साथ पड़ता है।
आई डोंट नो कुणाल, तेरे सिंपल आंसर से भी प्रत्युष अभी भी कंफ्यूज लग रहा है मुझे।
नहीं, मैं ऐसा मतलब कंफ्यूज नहीं।
जय
मेरे को कैसा था
that is-
कि ये चीज मेरे को पता थी, बट मेरे को किसी और के मुंह से सुनना था, ये जो बंदा
ओह।
फील्ड में है,
हाँ।
कि जो मैं
जयदीप
सोच रहा
सुना?
हूँ वो
जयदीप
सही
सुना?
है कि नहीं।
देख हाँ,
ये
नहीं,
जयदीप
नहीं,
मेरे
नहीं,
जयदीप
नहीं,
मेरी चीज सुन चुका है मेरे से, बट मेरे को ऐसे कंफर्म करवाना था किसी ऐसा
अच्छा।
ट्रस्टेड सोर्स से।
मिल गया
Trust me.
वैलिडेशन, मिल गया वैलिडेशन आपको।
Jay and Kunal and all the viewers out there. So we three have known each other for quite some time, and we've been working on this for a few months now. This guy says the same thing for everything. All right, and he has a resting, confused face. Matlab confused है तो don't worry. That's how his face looks always. So
Okay.
it's not a problem there. But on a serious note, though, I really did love how Jay and both of you, Kunal, talked about how it is necessary to work in a team and bring it out, and only then you can share risk, and through experience you can learn. Because trust me when I say, personally speaking, even with this thing which we are doing with our YouTube channel, I cannot imagine myself doing this without these two. I really cannot. I swear I cannot. And I've never told these two this. I've done this live on this platform right now, but I don't think I can work with another designer, no matter how stubborn Pratyush is. He's still one of my closest friends. And I cannot work with another editor because me and Jaydeep have worked on many before projects as well. So I know his wavelength, he understands my wavelength. So we just say like, okay, bro, you talk about this, you're talking about that clip, yes, that clip, this clip, and we figure it out just like that. So this project, and so I think it all comes down to that, right? Trust on each other to make sure that even if you're not there at that point, you trust your person or your friend, or rather your batchmate, to do the right thing and to help promote a product, or rather to help fix a problem. I guess that's what it always comes down to. So guys, so it's really hats off to you guys again for one last time for you guys. So always continuing to solve problems. I guess that's the most key here. Keep on solving problems. Keep on being curious to solve problems. I think that's what I'll drink to right now.
बस प्रणय भाई रुलाओगे क्या?
Yes, with an empty cup.
No, I mean seriously, like
ठंडी चाय थी इसमें.
Honestly, मैं पानी लेके बैठा था.
अरे मेरा भी कई बार ऐसा होता है कि ऐसे यार बहुत खा लिया, अब तो पानी ही पियेंगे. ऐसा मैं स्टोरी है. अच्छा जय, अभी टाइम है, कितना टाइम है?
सॉरी, मैं निकल रहा हूँ. सॉरी.
ओके, तो एक छोटा सा
अगेन वन मोर थिंग. बोल बोल।
अच्छा हाँ, तो
फटाफट
एक छोटा
फटाफट
स्टोरी है
करना भाई,
कि
फटाफट
ऐसा जब
करना।
हमारा ऐसा सेकंड थेरेपी सेशन या कुछ थर्ड थेरेपी सेशन शूट होने वाला था, तो उस टाइम मैं ऐसे खाना खा के बैठा था, और आप लोग नॉनवेज खाते हो, मैं खाता हूँ, कोई नहीं। हाँ, तो उस दिन मैंने ऐसे भर के खाया था, ठीक है, ऐसा मतलब यहाँ तक था मेरा खाना, चाय बनाई, सब कुछ किया, जयदीप, और ये जयदीप लेट है, चाय खत्म हो गई और मेरा पेट यहाँ तक खाना आ चुका है मेरा, उसका कहता है ब्रो अभी चालू करेंगे, मैं खाली कप लेके बैठा। दैट वाज माय स्टोरी।
आई थॉट स्टोरी में ट्विस्ट आएगा कि जयदीप लेट है और आपको हकने जाना था।
ये ट्विस्ट नहीं होता।
Like you know, again,
मेरी स्टोरी टेलिंग स्किल्स हाँ बकवास है, टेंशन मत, ऐसे एक्सपेक्ट मत किया करो आंसर, ऐसा कुछ आएगा वो छोड़ दो।
I
वो
might have
बिल्डअप
said
करेगा, फिर कुछ नहीं होगा।
इधर
मैं
तक
यहाँ
जाएगा,
तक
like it'll
लेके
go,
जाऊंगा, उसके बाद
इतना
धक्का दे
build
दूंगा
होगा,
मैं।
and then literally there's no fall, no slope, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा सीधा बस ऐसा stop हो जाएगा बस। It's
वो
like
literally-
your robot,
प्रत्युष
it's
भाई
like
ने
your
जो
robot
बोला ना
trying,
स्टोरी है, मेरे को लगा वो मस्ती में नहीं बोलता है आइडिया, तो वो आइडिया वाला फीलिंग आया कि इनके पास कुछ होगा ताबड़तोड़ बोलने के लिए।
Mhm. So
Okay.
anyway, so thank you guys for both, for Jay and Kunal, for being here. I really enjoyed this conversation with you guys. We covered a lot of stuff about businesses and why and how you guys feel about it. And I hope you have fun as well being on the show with us. I really want to keep in touch with you guys. And yes, why not? Hopefully we can have a future project together. And for all our viewers out there, I hope you like this episode very much, because what the hell, you should have loved this episode. This was really fun. And so please do
अच्छा
share
रेड्डी,
your
जल्दी
thoughts on
जल्दी
it.
जय को जाना है, फालतू में स्टोरीज डाल के ऐसा वो क्यों कर रहा था खराब इतनी देर से।
टाइम मैनेजमेंट, इसका टाइम मैनेजमेंट।
क्यों?
मेरी तरफ से कुछ कमेंट्स आपके लिए।
Yeah.
आप लोग ने ये जो शुरू किया, रियली ग्रेट स्टफ, एंड आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट कि आपने सब खुद का करना शुरू किया। मे बी फ्यूचर में इन्वेस्टर्स चाहिए, हमें बुलाना, हम लोग है पैसों के लिए। And yeah, thanks
Why
for
not?
having us, and yeah, we learned a lot from you as well, and I hope you guys also learned with this conversation.
Definitely.
So yeah, thanks for having us, and yeah, see ya guys. Maybe
Thanks for
see you
being here.
later. Maybe
Thanks
another
for being
therapy
here.
session.
Definitely. Why not? Why not? It's not, why not? And so I'd like to end this saying, for all of you out there, please do like, share, and subscribe, and do comment your thoughts on it. And who knows, you might be on our next show. And at the end of the day, your opinion is what matters, because hell, you're entitled to it. Bye-bye.